International Mother Earth Day was established in 2009, by the General Assembly under Resolution A/Res/63/278. The resolution was introduced by the Plurinational State of Bolivia and endorsed by over 50 member states. It recognizes that the Earth and its ecosystems are our home and that it is necessary to promote harmony with nature and the Earth. The term Mother Earth is used because it reflects the interdependence that exists among human beings, other living species and the planet we all inhabit. It is decided to designate April 22 as International Mother Earth Day. General Assembly President Miguel Brockmann welcomed the creation of International Mother Earth Day, saying, "International Mother Earth Day promotes a view of the Earth as the entity that sustains all living things found in nature. Inclusiveness is at the heart of International Mother Earth Day. Fostering shared responsibilities to rebuild our troubled relationship with nature is a cause that is uniting people around the world." Earth Day is an annual event celebrated on April 22. Worldwide, various events are held to demonstrate support for environmental protection. First celebrated in 1970, Earth Day events in more than 193 countries are now coordinated globally by the Earth Day Network. On Earth Day 2016, the landmark Paris Agreement was signed by the United States, China, and some 120 other countries. This signing satisfied a key requirement for the entry into force of the historic draft Climate Protection Treaty adopted by consensus of the 195 nations present at the 2015 United Nations Climate Change Conference in Paris. In 1969 at a UNESCO conference in San Francisco, peace activist John McConnell proposed a day to honor the Earth and the concept of peace, to first be celebrated on March 21, 1970, the first day of spring in the Northern Hemisphere. This Day of Nature's Equipoise was later sanctioned in a proclamation written by McConnell and signed by Secretary-General U Thant at the United Nations. A month later a separate Earth Day was founded by United States Senator Gaylord Nelson as an environmental teach-in first held on April 22, 1970. Nelson was later awarded the Presidential Medal of Freedom Award in recognition of his work. While this April 22 Earth Day was focused on the United States, an organization launched by Dennis Hayes, who was the original national coordinator in 1970, took it international in 1990 and organized events in 141 nations. Numerous communities celebrate Earth Week, an entire week of activities focused on the environmental issues that the world faces. In 2017, the March for Science occurred on Earth Day, April 22, 2017, and was followed by the People's Climate Mobilization, April 29, 2017.